So I'm using a pre-filter for the, just to show this. This filter here was blue before, and now it is like this. Not blue. No, it was white before. So this looks pretty good, but there's a lot of stuff in there. So we cannot look down here, I think. Can we? Oh, we could. There, let's see. So this is still good, I think. We look there in the corners. Is it okay down there? I think it's fine. Put this back in. Here. Oh, does it all snap in? So, when there is air going in here, no leaves and stuff, and you know, all the stuff can't go in there. Okay, let's find the cabin filter. So, cabin filter, if you want to replace that, seat goes back all the way. You can hear inside here the fans coming on. Maybe music, who knows. So let's push and hold here the temperature. That turns the air conditioner off. And then we have to do here, this panel has to come loose. It goes from here all the way back there. With that, we take the floor mat out, you know. It's very easy. And then you just grab here with your finger behind and pull it off. It's just snapped in. Like, really, with clips. No big deal. What we also have to do is up here. See here? There's those clips in there. 5 clips come out. Pull this whole thing down. Then you have space on this side to pull the air filter out. Whoa, light enhancements. This camera is a joke for this kind of work. Not gonna work. Okay. Let's see this. I'm gonna put some light here. There's the filter. And what we need to do to get there is we need to remove that screw there. You can see it there. I put an arrow on it. That screw is the only one that has to be removed. And then that whole flap there removed. And then we can pull the filter out. So I just replaced the cabin air filter. And the question is, when do you have to do this? Do you have to do this? How often? They say every 2 years. I did. I also installed a pre-filter so that the cabin filter doesn't take too much. If you go in your service mode here, service, you can on the maintenance see what you did already and when you did it. So I replaced my cabin air filter in 2024. The next time I should do it 2026. See, I cleaned my radiator in October 2025. The camera I cleaned last year ago. But the cabin filter I just replaced. Okay, so 2024. Now I replace it again. I click on record. I did this now. Confirm. So, and now I confirmed my cabin air replacement. It was now. The next time in January 27. Why does it do it more often now? I don't understand. So they changed the service interval on it. Wiper blades I also replaced. Here, can we see it now? Yeah, record. Confirm, new wiper blades on it. Perfect, right? Those done. Radiator cleaning is something that should be done sooner or later. So let's have a look at the filter. This is the inside, the side where you breathe on your side. Here, that. But on this side, that is the incoming air, like from the outside air. The air that went to the pre-filter. You can see there. And here we find them there. So now it's not only coming from the outside, like outside the car, right? This is also inside the car where it filters your cabin air, like, you know, what goes in the car. And I do have a German Shepherd. And then you see here, there's quite a bit of dog hair, dog dander going through here. You know? It's going through the whole system of your car. And the filter is catching it. Looks like a vacuum cleaner in there. See that? It's a lot.